Hello, everyone. Welcome to the draw for our 2020 scavenger hunt that was arranged by my wife Dawn. She planned it and organized it and came up with all the ideas for it. Unfortunately, we can't get together right now, so we're going to enjoy our cars and our club in another way. So I'm glad that everyone participated and had submitted their pictures, and they were awfully creative. And it seems everyone thinks a pylon goes on their head. I'll include some pictures in this video, and we're going to do the draw here on the computer. So for you submitted 10 pictures, all 10 pictures, then you got 2 entries. And if you submitted the 5 of them, you've got 1 entry. Stan, you do not get 4 entries. Thank you very much for the pictures, though. Your second batch was very entertaining. Thanks everyone for participating, and I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe. And I hope we can all get together and we can see you soon. Okay, so this is the first one. How many are we doing?
4.
We're doing 4. Round and round it goes. Colin Tyrell. Colin Tyrell, you get the first prize. Not the first prize, but a prize first. All right, we'll do another one. Gary Oak. It's you get the second prize. Gary gets it again. Does that work?
I think you pick another one.
I'm going to pick another one. Gary's already got one. We'll go again. That looks like John Oostdyke. It's pretty close to Dick Dean, but that's John Oostdyke. So John, you get the third prize. And that's a tie between Ian Cowie and Ian Cowie. So Ian, you get the fourth prize.